Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Cooper-Dockery. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best breakfast smoothie that you can ever think of. We're going to do a whole food, plant-based smoothie with multiple different types of fruits and vegetables, because this is an anti-inflammatory smoothie, a detox smoothie, a smoothie that will fill you for the day. So I'm going to start with my green apple. You know, apples are rich in fiber as well as vitamins. We have vitamin C here, and we have different nutrients, calcium. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just cutting the apple a little small. We're going to add the apple here in the blender. Okay. I love also to use cabbage as one of my cruciferous vegetables for my smoothie. I know many people probably don't even know they can add cabbage. This is great in vitamin A, vitamin C. These are potent antioxidants. We have calcium in here. We have potassium that is good for heart health. It does lower the blood pressure. And then I have lots of spinach. We're going to pack this down here, add all the spinach in here. We know the spinach also has vitamin K, good for clotting. We have vitamin A, vitamin C, great antioxidant for heart health, great amount of fiber. We have anti-cancerous chemicals here, amazing. And then I have some frozen kale. You know about kale? The king of the green leafy vegetables. Still a lot of vitamins A and C and K, calcium, and lots of fiber. So great for your overall health. Now, I'm adding my banana. Banana will give it the creamy texture as well as more vitamin K and some sugar to make this sweet. I'm going to see how much I can hold in this. Maybe I have to blend and add. Now, I'm going to add some milk, plant milk. I'm going to blend it partially, and then I'm adding the rest of the ingredients. So let's say I'm adding about 2 cups of plant milk. You can do almond milk. If you want more protein, you can do soy milk. Ladies and men, soy is great for prostate cancer, prostate health, and for ladies, great for breast cancer. All right, as well as menopausal symptoms. Let me start blend this, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. See? All right, now is the time to add the remainder. So I like to add some oatmeal. So oatmeal gives more fiber, more carbohydrates, will keep you feeling fuller longer, and to make it a more complete meal. And then I'm going to be adding my good fat. I'm adding some nuts. You need the walnuts, a handful of nuts per day. That's more good fat as well as more protein. And then to top it off, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to add some chia seeds. All right. So we have a good amount of omega-3 fatty acid from our chia as well as from our walnuts. Then this will make it the best smoothie you're going to have. All right. So I'm going to continue to blend. It's going to be so delicious. All right. Let's see what I have here. Okay. All right. So this is our delicious smoothie. You can see how creamy it is. I'm going to taste now. If you want it sweeter, you can actually add some agave nectar there. Let me see. It's absolutely delicious. You have your various vegetables, you have your protein, good fats, you have everything you need to start your day. You could have this for breakfast. You could also have it for supper or just a meal replacement because it's actually a whole food. You have your carbohydrate, the protein, your vegetables, and your good fats, and you have some fruits. Now, for more recipe, just like, follow, and share. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.